Welcome back to DLM Campervans. Today we have a blue metallic Mini-T Campervan. Ford Transit Connect gets 24 to 28 miles to the gallon. Has great safety features including reverse camera, reverse sensors, blind spot indicator in the mirror, also the lane keeping aid so it'll alert you if you cross the lines without a turn signal. This has the hitch, shore power plug and cord. On the roof of our conversions, you find solar. Over there, antenna, 10-speed reversible max air fan. The fan can be used even if it's raining. Vehicle has heated leather seats, mid-vehicle overhead for additional storage, turn-by-turn navigation, Bluetooth so you can talk hands-free. It's also Android Auto or Apple CarPlay if that's what you're used to using for your maps. Here's that mid-vehicle overhead storage. Works great for like computers. Vinyl floor, couch that easily pulls out into a 43 by 72 inch bed. It's comfortable to sit at. Under the couch is storage. There's a couple underbed storage containers. Foldable portable toilet. Our starter kit comes with magnetic screens for 2 of the 4 windows that come down. It also comes with butane fuel for your camp stove that comes with. The electric plug, 30 amp to 15 amp adapter. Campervan also comes with a refrigerator, sink, hand pump faucet, freshwater and gray water storage, a microwave. Everything in our campervans that we build can also be used if you're not plugged in. We are a manufacturer, so you can always check out our website, dlm-distribution.com, and look at our current inventory, or give us a call, 651-285-7089, or 507-382-9446. Happy camping!